In this class, we will understand the use of comments and also different ways to write comments in C programming language. We'll start our discussion with the definition of comments, means the purpose of comments in a programming language, and the concept of comments is common in any programming language. The way in which we declare the comments may be different from one programming language to another programming language, but the concept of comments is common in any programming language. So what is the purpose of comments in programming language? Comments in a programming language are notes written in the source code that are ignored by the compilers. Their primary purpose is to make the code more understandable for humans. So what does that state is? If you write comments in a programming language in your program or your source code, that is the purpose of that comments is for the human beings to understand. Whatever we write in the comments, that part will be ignored by the compiler. That is not considered as a program by the compiler. So that is very important to understand. So let's try to understand, let's take a real world scenario to understand the use of comments. For example, if you have written a very big program and you want to extend that program with new features. So for that, what you have done is you have collaborated with one of your friend for extending the features of the existing program. Now, what is the first step that you are going to do? You will share the complete code that you have written to your friend, to your collaborator. Am I right? So whenever the code is shared to the new user, so what the collaborator will do, what your friend will do, he will try to understand each and every line of code. Now, understanding the program with respect to the program statements is very difficult. In order to make that part easy, so this is the part where the comments will come into action. For every complex part of your program, we will declare comments. We will explain in detail about this specific logic that we are using in this program. So that is where the comments are used. That is the purpose of comments, in order to make the third person who is watching your source code, who is seeing your source code, should be able to understand the concept very clearly, should be able to understand the logic very clearly. So that is the purpose of using comments in a programming language. C provides two different methods to write comments. So one of the method is a multi-line comment and the other method is single line comment. So the multi-line method, so this is the multi-line method that is provided in C programming language. So this is the starting for the multi-line comment, that mark / and star is the starting mark for multi-line comment, and this is the ending mark for multi-line comments. So we have to end with star / and we have to start with / star. Within those marks, whatever you provide, that is considered as comment. Means that part of the comment, that part of the program will be ignored by the compiler. This is only for the understanding of human beings. So what I have written, so this is a multi-line comment. Name of this video is comments in C programming, and the course this video is belonging to, this class is belonging to is C programming. So for better understanding, I have written this comment. And there is another way to write the comments, and this multi-line commenting is a very traditional way which is provided in the traditional C compilers. In the latest C compilers, which is C99 is the latest version of C compiler. In this C compiler, we are having a feature called single line comments. Single line comments always starts with double slashes, double forward slashes. Whenever we give double forward slashes at the start of your line, then that is considered, that entire line is considered as a comment. Single line comments. Okay. Now, whenever we need to hint a simple discussion about a line of code or multiple lines of code, then we use these single line comments. Okay. So below is a printf function, a simple statement, right? In such cases, we can use these single line comment features. So this is how the comments are helpful to for the human beings to understand what we have written in the program. Okay, so that's it about the comments. Now I want to make a small announcement on quizzes. So far we have covered, we are at the end of our section 3, and we have created 2 quizzes for section 2 concepts. We have created 2 quizzes, and section 3 concepts, which is about input and output functions. For that we have created 1 quiz. The 2 quizzes that we have created for section 2 are quiz on variable, data types and qualifiers, and the other quiz on operators and expressions. So I request you to take this quiz, and the link for the quiz is provided in the description. So just click on the link. After clicking the link, you will be redirected to the entire course. There you click on the second section. In the second section, you will find these quizzes with the same titles: quiz on variables, data types and qualifiers, and the other quiz on operators and expressions. So these 2 quizzes come under section 2, and if you click on section 3, you'll get this quiz on syntax mistakes. All these quizzes, attempting these quizzes is very helpful for you to enhance your knowledge that you have gained so far. So I request you to attempt all these quizzes after completion of your section 2 and section 3. So that's it for this video. See you in the next class.